So by default, the screenshots that you take using AnyDesk and whatever chats that you do in AnyDesk is saved in a certain location. If you want to go ahead and change it, you can click on the hamburger icon and then go to settings right here. So over here, you can see that there's screenshot path and chat log. So over here, if you were to select default, it'll be saved in the default location. But if you were to choose custom, you can go ahead and click on browse and navigate to the folder right here. So if I were to go around over here just like this, I can go around over here onto a particular section. Let's say, for example, in desktop, press OK right here just like this, and this is what you have. You got the screenshot path. So apart from that, you can see the chat log around over here as well. So right now it's saved in default location, but you can go ahead and choose another location as well, just like with the screenshot. So if I were to go around over here, you can see the chat log right here, which has been saved. And this is what you see right here, just like this, as you can see. So I said hi 2 times and it says, can you give me some permission, please? So everything, as you can see, is saved out as txt file right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and set the screenshot and chat log path inside of AnyDesk. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.